Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services. This is a wonderful community platform that you'll be able to know a lot of things in terms of traveling abroad.
If you're looking for new career opportunities in Europe, Bulgaria might just be your next destination. They are actively hiring and creating opportunities for skilled workers from the IT sector, the agriculture and manufacturing sector, tourism sector, healthcare professional, engineering, and the construction sector. So the link to the website is in the description box. And if you find value in this video, make sure to hit the like button, share to your friends so they can also benefit from this opportunity, and also subscribe to our channel. And thanks to our old subscribers and welcome to our new subscribers.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.
So once you click on the link, it will take you to this page you're seeing on the screen here. Okay, here we have the aircraft engineer, we have the SAP specialist, receptionist, game presenter and shuffler, solution consultant, Java software engineer. So if you are looking for that opportunity, if you like to move to Bulgaria, this is your go-to website. Just check out vacancies, jobs that align with your own profession, and just click on it and start your application. So yeah, let's check out one of these vacancies together as an example. So aircraft engineer. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to this page here. Where you're going to get the job description, everything you need to know about the job before you apply. So this is the job sector, work schedule, occupation, contract type, employment period, number of posts, job description, everything you are going to, everything you should know about the job, and the requirements and the skills they need from you. So the job location is in Sofia, that is Bulgaria. So the name of the employer, this is the name of the employer, the sector, the organization size. It's a large enterprise. So how to apply? If you want to apply for this job, just copy this link on your browser, then it will bring out the application form for you, then you can start applying. So once you are applying, once you are done like with your cover letter and your CV, before you submit, just make sure you add this job vacancy ID. So once you submit your application, the employer will just copy this job vacancy ID and it will direct you to this website and know the particular job you applied for. So this is the reason why you should always add this job vacancy, and you can see it here also. Just hide it. Once you click on it like this, then it's going to take the employer to this particular job. Okay, this is the job you applied for, and this is the same procedure for all the vacancies on this website. Let's go back and check out another one together. And the good thing about this website is that some of these jobs come with visa sponsorship, but you need to scroll down, you need to search for it. And if you can't find it there, all you have to do is to add it to your application if you would like the employer to sponsor your visa. So if it is something they can do, then they will surely go ahead with it. And that's if you meet the qualification. So make sure your CV is in the European standard. Like make sure your CV is eye catch. Like once the employer sees the your application, he will move, like, because you know you won't be the only one applying for jobs or this. You won't be the only one sending applications to the employer. So you have to make your stand out. Yes, you have to make your stand out. And if the employer is okay with it, he can decide to sponsor your visa down to Bulgaria. Then you start working.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services. This is a wonderful community platform